Introduction to Formal Communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of safety, reliability, and operational excellence within organizations, particularly in high-risk work environments such as aviation, emergency services, medical, nuclear plant operations, Department of Energy National Laboratories, and Department of Defense. One invaluable tool in the arsenal of human and organizational performance principles is formal communication, a structured approach that encompasses the alphanumeric processes and three-way communication, also known as three-part communication. This tool is meticulously designed to connect the principles of HOP to real-world practices, ensuring that information is conveyed accurately, reliably, and comprehensibly across all levels of an organization. HOP principles emphasize the creation of systems and tools that anticipate and mitigate human error. Formal communication, deeply rooted in HOP, is an example of this approach. By providing a structured framework for communication, it recognizes the human element in conveying information and strives to eliminate misunderstandings, thereby enhancing safety, reliability, and performance. Formal verbal communication, characterized by standardized protocols such as the use of the alphanumeric processes and three-way communication, has a rich historical background in various high-risk industries, notably in the military, aviation, maritime, emergency services, and healthcare. These practices have evolved over time to ensure safety, clarity, and effectiveness in communication, especially in high-risk environments. Alphanumeric processes. Aviation adopted the alphanumeric processes, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, etc., to reduce the risk of miscommunication, particularly over radio transmissions, setting a formalized standard for pronunciation. Other high-risk organizations followed suit, such as the military, commercial nuclear power plants, Department of Energy National Laboratories, maritime, emergency services, security services, and police, just to name a few. Aviation communication. The aviation industry recognized early on the need for precise communication due to the complexities and risks of flight. Key developments include International Civil Aviation Organization, established in 1944. The International Civil Aviation Organization introduced standardized phraseology and communication procedures for air traffic control and aviation professionals worldwide to enhance safety and reduce miscommunication. Emergency services. Fire departments, police forces, and emergency medical services rely on formal communication protocols to coordinate responses effectively in emergencies. Standardized codes and procedures are crucial in these high-stress environments. Healthcare and medicine. In healthcare, formal communication practices, including structured methods like SBAR, situation, background, assessment, recommendation, have been adopted to enhance patient safety and streamline information exchange among healthcare professionals. These historical examples underscore the importance of formal verbal communication and the evolution of standardized protocols like the alphanumeric processes and three-way communication. The overarching goal has always been to ensure safety, minimize misunderstandings, and facilitate efficient communication, especially in situations where lives and missions hang in the balance. Over time, these practices have matured, become more sophisticated, and integrated into formal training and procedures across diverse industries. It needs to be recognized that formal communication represents more than just a set of guidelines. It embodies a systematic approach meticulously crafted to avert costly errors and undesirable events arising from miscommunication. This approach serves as a versatile tool, primarily geared towards achieving three key objectives: ensuring the unambiguous conveyance of information, fostering a mutual comprehension among parties, and mitigating the potential for mistakes, particularly in high-pressure and high-risk scenarios. Through the incorporation of three-way communication and the utilization of the alphanumeric processes, formal communication furnishes organizations with a formidable mechanism designed to elevate their communication standards, especially in environments where precision is paramount. The advantage of using formal communication is that it reaches across the entire organizational spectrum. It empowers individuals at all levels, from frontline workers to supervisors and top-tier management, with the ability to communicate effectively, particularly when confronted with tasks that bear direct influence on safety, equipment operation, or procedural adherence. By championing a standardized language and systematic procedures, it removes vagueness and substantially curtails the likelihood of costly errors. In essence, the entire organization reaps the rewards of heightened safety, improved operational reliability, and an overall boost in performance. Formal communication did not emerge from a vacuum. It was purposefully developed to tackle the distinct challenges inherent to intricate and high-risk industries. It evolved into a comprehensive tool adaptable to a multitude of high-risk, high-consequence organizational settings. Its evolution was driven by an unwavering commitment to bridging the gap between human performance and operational safety, thereby solidifying its status as an indispensable component within the toolkit of human and organizational performance. In summary, formal communication, encompassing three-way communication and the alphanumeric processes, is an invaluable tool deeply rooted in the principles of human and organizational performance. Its purpose is to ensure the unambiguous conveyance of information, foster a mutual comprehension among parties, and mitigate the potential for mistakes by providing a formal and structured approach to communication. When implemented effectively, it benefits every level of an organization,